Welcome to day 4 of your 7-day sugar-free challenge. On day 4, we are taking tea without sugar. So we are cutting out all added sugar in our tea. And today, we're going to make some herbal black tea. So we have ginger here, slice, so we're going to peel it. And then we have lemon, and for spicing up we'll add cinnamon. So what you're going to do is peel the ginger and cut it into tiny slices, then boil it in water to up to 10 minutes. Then we slice our lemon into slices, then we're going to add our cinnamon, and there we go, a healthy, beneficial tea without sugar and quite tasty and delicious. Have a great day and look out for our email today as we go through day 4 challenge, cutting out sugar from your tea. And my tea is ready. Hot water, lemon, cinnamon, and ginger with a caramel tea bag.